Arosa is a ski resort located in the Canton of Graubünden, aka Grison, in eastern Switzerland. Since the construction of the Urden aerial tramway in 2014, the continuous ski area of Arosa has been extended. Previously just 70 kilometers, the area now boasts a huge 225 kilometers of connected ski runs, thanks to the connection of Arosa with Lenzerheide and Valbella. The creation of the new Arosa Lenzerheide ski area has made it one of the largest in Switzerland. In this video, we will show you the most important things you need to know before booking a vacation in Arosa. And if you will stay until the end of the video, you will get some great tips that will help you to take better decisions, save time and money, and have a more enjoyable vacation. There are 3 airports near to the ski resort. The major airport is Zurich, located at a distance of 173 kilometers and takes almost 2 hours and 10 minutes to reach Arosa by road. The second airport is Friedrichshafen in Germany, which is 153 kilometers away from the ski resort and a total drive time of 2 hours and 7 minutes. The closest airport, however, is St Gallen, which, at 117 kilometers from Arosa, has a driving time of about 1 hour and 35 minutes on the road. If you're flying into Zurich Airport, we recommend that you take the train from the terminal, with changes in Zurich Central Station and Chur. This route has some amazing views and will get you to the resort in less than 3 hours, directly to Weisshorn cable car in downtown Arosa. Arosa Lenzerheide has 225 kilometers of ski slopes and 43 lifts that make it the largest continuous ski area in Graubünden. The total lift length is 50.8 kilometers, and it has an impressive passenger capacity of 64,736 passengers per hour. Ski season at Arosa Lenzerheide runs from late November to mid-April. Slope elevations here sit between 1,229 and 2,865 meters in height. At a height of 1,740 meters, the town of Arosa gets an average of around 7 meters of snowfall per year, making it the snowiest town in Switzerland. The well-maintained ski slopes of the Arosa Lenzerheide ski area are divided between 12% black, 39% red and 49% blue runs. The 6-day ski pass prices are €354 for adults, €300 for 18 to 26-year-olds, €219 for 13 to 17-year-olds, and €98 for 5 to 13-year-olds. The ski area of Arosa itself is an eastern-facing bowl. From the north side, it is dominated by the enormous 2,653-meter Weisshorn Peak, the highest point in the Arosa area. From its summit, you'll enjoy a thrilling 360-degree panoramic view from the restaurant, where you can see the city of Chur. From here, you can take Run 10, the longest in the ski area, which begins on the north side, outer rim of the bowl, and then turns south to the middle of the ski area. On the southern side of the bowl is Hornli Peak, most enjoyable off-piste at late season because it is the most shadowed area. Here, of course, is the connection to Lenzerheide, Valbella and Parpan. Most of the ski area between these 2 peaks is comprised of cruising red and blue runs, served by a selection of good chairlifts. Bounding the bowl in the middle east part of the ski area is Zurich Mountain, which is a kind of a hub area where you can find the largest snowpark in all of Arosa Lenzerheide area. Here are the most important lifts to know. If you stay in the lake area, the Weisshorn system that will lift you all the way to Weisshorn mid-station and peak. Zurich East chairlift that will take you to the top of Zurich Mountain, the snowpark, and a 5-minute run to Hornli Express lift. If you stay in inner Arosa, Zurich Gondola, which is the ski school meeting point, and will take you to the top of Zurich Mountain. Hornli Express Gondola that will take you to Hornli Peak and Urden cable car. And last, but by no means least, is of course the Urden cable car, which stretches more than a mile over the Urden Valley and connects Arosa to Lenzerheide, Valbella and Parpan ski resorts. You can ski directly from the Urden cable car to these 3 villages. To cross to the other side of that valley, you'll need to take the Obertor chairlift. Later in this video, I'll give you a particularly important tip regarding the Urden cable car, so keep an eye out. If you want to stay up to date and receive a new review on different ski resorts every weekend or two, you'll make our day if you subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to push the chime on the right, so every time we upload a video, you'll be notified. Arosa is nestled on the peripheries of a lake that ideally becomes a natural ice skating rink in most of the winter. The lake and town centre altitude is 1,740 metres. The south side of Arosa extends west and also south of the Zurich mountain into Inner Arosa, whilst climbing to an elevation of more than 1,850 metres at the western tip. Inner Arosa is located the closest to the connection to Valbella and Lenzerheide. Like most Swiss resorts, Arosa is rich with traditional winter sports. From ice skating on the frozen lake to sledging on the 6 kilometres of sledge runs in the Arosa region. You'll even find almost 40 kilometres of cross-country ski trails and many walking trails here too. In fact, non-skiers can reach all mountain restaurants, most by trails, some by cable cars. Arosa has a reliable 12-hour-a-day free ski bus service. Most of the ski-in residences are in the Inner Arosa area. The 2 most recommended après-ski bars at Arosa are Kur Bar at Zurich Peak and Overtime in downtown near the lake. Here are our scores for Arosa. For snowboarders, 8. Beginners, 8.5. Intermediates, 8. Advanced skiers, 7. Freestylers, 8. Free riders, 7.5. Nightlife, 7. Après-ski, 7.5. Resort charm, 7. The total score for Arosa is 7.6. And here are those top secret tips we promised you at the beginning. If you're heading to Arosa by car, a cheap option to stay and still be close to the slopes is the village of Prachli, which is 10 minutes drive from Arosa's town centre and is part of the ski bus system. Our second tip is that from mid-March there are big winds in the area, which force the Urden cable car to close many times, causing problems for connection to Lenzerheide. If you want to compare Arosa to other ski resorts and learn more, why not check out our new comparison engine on our brand new website. You'll find the link in the card here and in the description below. We'd really appreciate if you like this video, add it to your favourites list and send it to your ski buddies.